Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will be showing you how you can do geocoding as well as reverse geocoding with SwiftUI in native iOS app for MapKit. So yeah, let's get started. So first let me see if the output is ready. So output is not ready. So first what I have done is I have created one SwiftUI application, and inside the content view I'll just make this something like this so that you can see the output as well. And here you can see I have just imported SwiftUI. I have imported MapKit as well as GeoToolbox. Then here I have created our initialized our model, and here from our model we get this map item, and once we have the map item we just draw it on our map with the help of this particular marker. That's it. Now here I have created this map view model. I have created this MK map item, and here inside this we just called resolve analivia. So this is a method which I have defined. So here we have defined a CL location coordinate. So this is the reverse geocoding request. So you just pass your coordinates, and then from the request you get the map item. I'm just getting the first one out of it. That could be multiple. So here you can see it has drawn this particular marker as well, and from that particular thing we get the address, and once we have the address we print it to the console as well. Here you can see, and yeah, that's all there is to it. Okay, now let's see geocoding one, right? So for that I'll just comment this entire thing out. I'll just have created one separate file. So here you can see I'll just uncomment this one, and I'll just run this as well. So here we have imported SwiftUI, MapKit as well as GeoToolbox. Then here we initialize our map view model. Here is our map. We get view model.map item, and here we initialize our marker by passing in the map item. Okay, then here is our map view model as well, where we pass the MK map item, and here we call resolve analivia. So here we have defined a task where we just do MK geocoding request. Okay, so here I'm just passing the address, and based on that it get me the request. I'm getting the first out of it, and I'm just initializing to our map item. So yeah, here you can see it has automatically added the marker at the right location. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.